We want to find the smallest three positive radian solutions to 5 cosine 3 theta equals 3. Notice how we have a triple angle in our equation. So what we'll do to start with is perform a substitution for 3 theta. Let's let u equal 3 theta so we can solve the equation 5 cosine u equals 3. And then once we find the solutions for u, we'll come back and find theta. Notice if we solve this equation for theta, we would have theta equals u divided by 3. So to isolate cosine u, we'll divide both sides by 5. So we have the equation cosine u equals 3/5. Well, we should recognize that we're not going to find function values of 3/5 using the unit circle or with reference triangles, so we will have to use the calculator to help us solve this. But notice that our cosine function value is positive, and since cosine theta is equal to x divided by r, since the cosine function is positive, this means x must be positive, and therefore our solutions must be in the first quadrant and fourth quadrant where the x-coordinate is positive. Next, if cosine u equals 3/5, if we solve this equation for u, we would have u equals arc cosine or inverse cosine of 3/5. This is what we'll type into the calculator to help us find one of the solutions in terms of u. Let's make sure that we are in radian mode. So I'll press the mode key. Notice how radian is highlighted. So we'll go back to the home screen and we'll press second cosine for inverse cosine 3/5. Now we are asked to round our solutions to 3 decimal places, but this is actually u, not theta. So we're going to round this to 4 decimal places so we don't have a rounding error when we go back and find theta. So one solution for u is approximately 0.9273. So we'll call this u sub 1. Now let's go ahead and sketch this angle in the first quadrant. Well, now because the cosine function value is also positive in the fourth quadrant, that means if we sketch a reference angle of 0.9273 radians in the fourth quadrant, we can also determine another solution. So the reference angle here would also be 0.9273, which will give us another solution for u. Again, we found this first angle using the calculator, and then this angle that's terminal in the fourth quadrant would start here and end here. So to find this angle, we could take one complete revolution, or 2 pi radians, and then subtract the reference angle to determine the second solution. So we have 2 pi minus 0.9273 radians. So the second solution for u would be approximately 5.3559 radians. Remember, our goal is to find the smallest 3 positive radian solutions. So the third solution is going to be the next angle that's terminal in the first quadrant, which would be here, which would be 2 pi radians plus the reference angle of 0.9273. Again, u sub 3, the first solution, plus 2 pi radians for one more revolution around the circle. So this will be approximately 7.2105. So we have our 3 solutions in terms of u. Remember, our ultimate goal is to solve this equation in terms of theta. And since theta equals u divided by 3, we have to divide each of these solutions by 3 to find theta. So now we'll go back to the calculator to determine these quotients. So theta sub 1 is approximately 0.309. Theta sub 2 is approximately 1.785. And finally, theta sub 3 is approximately 2.404. And of course, all of these are radians. Okay, I hope you found this explanation helpful.